you being a colored individual yourself. Stay strong, stay black.
And I love you. Say it back. Yo, what poppin' twins? I'm back with another monkey video, you dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna be trolling on this motherfucker, but the main point of this video is just to spread some love today, man. I'm gonna spread some love, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be telling random people I love them and see how they react to it, you did? Let's get straight into it. Yo, what poppin' twin?
What's good?
What going on, twin? Where the hell you from?
No, New York. But I'm mad right now, okay?
What going on?
This girl had a nerve to call me fat. But she eating McDonald's. She's fat as shit and ugly as shit. Like, how you gonna call me fat? You're the one eating McDonald's.
I eat McDonald's?
I know, but like, they call me fat, but she called me eating McDonald's. And she had like 3 burgers and like chicken nuggets and shit.
Oh, yeah, she kinda big.
So, like, do I look fat? Like, fuck, I look fat. Fuck.
You don't look skinny?
I don't look skinny, but I'm fat.
I'm just playing, twin. But look though, look, twin. Look, twin. I got something to tell you though.
Good.
I love you, bro.
I like you, man.
Alright, bro. Have a nice day, bro. Hey, I got something to tell you though.
Finish game. Alright, like,
I love you, bro.
fuck. Yo, what the fuck wrong with you, bro?
You can't say it back.
Hell, I don't even know you like that, cuz.
I love you though. I got something to tell y'all. You listening?
Yeah.
I love y'all.
Relate to.
Have a nice day.
You too.
What's up, sir?
What poppin', twin? Why you got the chains around your neck?
That's my neck piece of choice. It's comfortable. I like the weight of it.
How heavy that motherfucker is?
I see your neck piece of choice. What you got, gold or silver?
Hey, anybody ever tell you look like damn, what's that nigga name? Blade. What's the nigga name from Blade? What's the nigga name? Fuck.
Talking about the vampire, like bounty hunter.
Fuck. No. What's that nigga name? Blade. Damn, you look just like his ass. Blade.
Oh, Wesley Snipes.
Wesley Snipes. I was about to say Spike Lee on some dumb ass shit. But Wesley Snipes, yeah, you look like Wesley Snipes.
I've had a lot of people tell me that. I
Stop
disagree.
lying. Ain't nobody told you that.
No, but like I've had a couple people tell me that. I disagree.
You don't think you look like him?
No.
Oh, damn. Hey, look, though, I just want to say I love you, though.
No, hold, pause.
You can't tell me you love me back?
Here's what you say. Here's what you say to us colored people. You being a colored individual yourself. Stay strong. Stay black.
And I love you. Say it back.
I can't do it, bro. Peace be to you. Praise to Allah.
I don't pray to Allah. I pray to God.
Fuck the Christian God.
Oh my God.
No, hold on. Hear me out.
I gotta go, twin.
No.
I can't hear you out. Tell me you love me first. Tell me you love me first. Tell me you love me, now I hear you out. Tell me you love me, now I hear you out.
I love you,
Huh?
I love you, my African brother.
Alright. I hear you out.
Okay, hear me out. Our ancestors are straight up Muslim. Look at the Mali Empire, the Edo Empire, the Ghana, the Shanghai. They're all Muslims. Don't let a fucking cracker tell you your history.
I got you.
Praise be to Allah.
I still believe in God. Man, your ass like an old ass high school coach. You ain't got no chin.
Yeah.
Your ears little hell. You like a fisherman. But that hat smaller. You got your kid hat on. You got that hat for Old Navy. Go put on the shirt.
I don't need no shirt where I'm from, bitch.
Damn, where I gotta be all
What you
that?
gonna say about that?
Where I gotta be all that?
Nah, I don't need no fucking shirt. I'm comfortable.
You like a dirty marshmallow. I ain't gonna lie to you. How you doing?
Right there.
I got something to tell you.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. I got something to tell you though. I just want to tell you I love you.
What?
I just want to tell you I love you.
I love you too.
You don't love me either?
I don't know you.
Damn, I don't know you, but I said I love you.
Let me put you on to a song.
I'm making a video. Going on, twin.
I don't got no money.
I ain't asking for no money, twin.
I'm just saying that in general, I just put that emoji so like the whole they be acting like gold diggers, so
But how they acting like gold digging? You ain't got no gold.
because when they think you got the gold, they all want you.
They eventually gonna realize you ain't got none.
But they already got fucked by them.
And how you do that?
That's the point. You gotta be like that. It's a mind thing.
All right, put me down, twin.
I can't.
Then nigga, I don't believe you, then nigga.
Bro, I got clips, bro. I'm on 10 years, man.
You got clips.
Yeah.
I just want to tell you something though, for real, honestly.
Yeah.
I love you, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
Can't really. How you doing, bro?
What's going on, twin?
I'm like drunk as fuck right now.
You will. I think this is the perfect time for me to say this then.
Say what?
I love you.
I love you too, bro.
I'm good. You do.
I'm really drunk.
I know, bro. 'Cause I knew you were gonna say it back.
I love you, bro. Damn. What's your name, bro?
My name Dez.
What is it?
Dez.
D's?
Dez.
Dez?
Yeah, Dez.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. Damn, man. Throw the hearts up.
I like
man.
your
Throw the hearts
I
up.
like your tattoos, bro.
Appreciate that, twin. I'm spreading some love today. That's all.
You have a good day, bro.
You too, twin.
I hope you're blessed every single day.
You too, twin. I love both of y'all. You gonna say it back?
Bro, you bald here, bro.
You gonna say it back?
That you niggas gay, bro. Nigga, I'm not gay.
I love you though. Nah, but look, listen though. I'm spreading some love, so man, I just want to tell you I love you.
You love me? I love you too.
Can you throw the hearts up for me? Alright, you
Yeah.
have a nice rest of your day.
You
What it is on the screen?
There's me.
How the hell y'all get y'all pictures up though?
You're gonna have a PC. Yeah.
What?
You're gonna have a PC, a computer.
Why the hell you talking with in your? Why the hell you talking like that?
I got something in my throat.
Do it come with 2 balls?
Bro.
I said I want to tell you something, man.
What's up?
I love you.
What the fuck? The fuck that nigga got going on? I don't know what they got going down in Atlanta. Down here in
Now you
Texas.
can't say it back. You that tough?
Oh, what the fuck?
You that tough?
Oh, my fuck. Yes. In Atlanta, do you claim this nigga?
Is you that tough though?
You did not just tell another nigga you love him.
What's wrong with that? Nigga had me too tough.
As a man, right? So niggas can't get emotional and shit. What you do as a man when you get sad? 'Cause I ain't got a dad, so it's like I hopped on here. Shit.
That the same shit I do.
Yeah. What you did?
I hop on that motherfucker.
You say it right now, man.
Nah, I ain't sad right now.
Alright, gang. What was your question though?
I just want to tell you, twin, I love you.
I love you too, man. Appreciate
Yeah, throw the
you.
hearts up, twin.
Throw the heart up.
Yeah, for sure.
Appreciate you.
Yo, you need any like prayer of your life or anything like that?
But what your deep voice ass just said?
I said you need any like prayer over your life or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? You need some like words of wisdom.
Hell yeah, gonna spit some shit to me.
For sure. You know what I'm saying? God, I just ask that you bless this young man and guide him, be in his life. I just ask that you continue to help him stay on the right path, and if he steers off to the wrong path, I hope that you guide him back onto the right path. I just ask that he continues to seek you and he builds that one-on-one relationship with you. Because, you know, a lot of people find they try to find like instant what's that word? Instant
Damn, you
satisfaction.
fucking up my prayer.
Yeah, my bad.
Dang.
I got a little brain. You know what I'm saying? But they try to find instant, I know what it is. Those
Man, look, man, just stop right there, twin. Just stop right there.
Alright, my bad, twin.
Cause God ain't gonna hear that prayer. You keep fucking up.
Alright, bro. God bless, man.
Hey, but now look, listen. Let me tell you something, twin. I love you, twin.
Alright, I rock with you, bro.
Say it back.
I rock with you. I love you as just, you know what I'm saying, being yourself, man.
All right, throw the hearts up for me. Throw the hearts up. What you dropping rates, nigga?
Nah, it's like a half heart, man.
Man, you don't love me, man. That prayer was just bullshit, man.
Did you check on me? Did you check on me? I did it look for me? Did you look for me? Drinking more at the up on the bed already. Did you check on me? Did you check on me? Did you look for me? Oh,
hey, look, let me tell y'all something real quick. Listen. I love you, twin.
You're a gay ass bitch. That shit gay.
You gotta be too tough. I gotta tell you something. How old you at first?
20.
Okay. I just wanna let you know I love you.
You love me. How you love me if you don't even know me?
I gotta know you to love you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we'll get to know each other. Can you throw up the hearts for me? Oh, so you love me then?
You like my kids? Aren't they pretty?
They need a daddy?
No.
What's up, dude? What?
Hey, man, I like it. First of all, is that toilet sink clean?
I'm high and looking for. Yeah, it's clean. I ran it through the dishwasher 6 or 7 times. Don't tell my wife.
You lying. You lying. What's going on?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good, and yourself?
For
That's
sure.
good, right? That's good. You're doing good. I'm high.
You high? I got something to tell you, though.
What you gotta tell me?
I love you.
Love me? Are you a Jehovah's Witness? No. That's only what a Jehovah's Witness would say.
You ever encountered a Jehovah's Witness?
Plenty of times.
And they said they love you?
Yeah, but...
Why you playing with
love
your
me,
hair?
why would you say those things about me?
Why you playing with your hair?
Because I... Ooh. How old are you, sir?
Can you say you love me back?
I love you.
Can you throw up the hearts for me? Have a nice night. Let's see if we're gonna get it on that one.